Okay, Wednesday, May 6th. Today we're doing a little bit of preliminary sanding, and I was doing the doors. We were having a look at this back door, and there was a great big bulge on this side.
Over here, get a picture of an angle, and then you can see.
And we pounded the bulge out flat, and we'll show you what came off the back side. How thick is that? It's about 3/4 of an inch thick at least. Bondo. Right over the rust. That's a real good trick. So what we're going to end up having to do, we'll cut our hinges off.
Cut the hinges off, try and save them.
Yeah, and then we have to cut the whole way around the outer skin. Without cutting into the frame, we'll take this whole sheet off and reskin it. Because there's no way that we can get that looking nice again. It'll never be true.
No. It's twice as heavy as what it has to be.
Yep. Now here's one of the, this is a passenger door. I just did the 40 grit on this one to get it ready. We'll have to go all the way up to 320, but all on the bottom is completely rotted out. So I'll just grind out all that Bondo and we'll see where we have to weld in a new sheet. Because there's no point trying to, fix that up when it's rusted out as bad as it is, cracked underneath.
Just explain that once you get it down to that and clean it, you can prime that. But you can't prime the rest.
Yeah, you can see someone else in the past had done a paint job on this thing. I'll see if I can get this camera to focus. This darker yellow, that's the original Bombardier paint. This lighter stuff is whatever they put on. And you can see all the different layers, different colors of filler.
And right here, they had a rust dent.
Yep.
It went right over top of it.
Yeah, why not? This was completely rotted out yesterday. I don't know if Ralph showed us, but we put some kitty hair over where the trim pieces go on. Just the first layer. Get that ready.
Wednesday, May 6th, and these boys are on sanding duty. Just love the fact that they're sanding inside this shop right now. Just love having to sweep all this crap up. Aidan has enough sense to put a half mask on. Dad is free-balling it here. And but they got to ground out all those spots because they got to find out where the metal is rotten. So as you can see, this one chunk's already been done, and that's just the paint powder there. But they got quite a bit done on this side here as well, and that's bound and determined to do the hard way versus the sandblasting way. He's concerned because it's only 1/16 thick and it's 70-year-old or 60-year-old metal, that this is the way to do. So they got the sanding pads out, and this is really what he wants to do, so I can't really argue with him. It's just a hell of a mess to make, and he couldn't wait a week and move it outside and do it. Let's do it the hard way and do it inside the shop. So there's a hell of a mess to clean up and a thin layer of old paint dust to collect on everything. So as you can see, they haven't started on the back yet, just the sides. And Dad's at the front of the machine here doing the sanding. And it's not as easy as you think it might be, but looks like, I don't know if this Bondo he's already got on here or not, but he is sanding everything all down to get it ready for painting eventually. That will be done outside. So on the front side here, he hasn't got this done here yet, but he has been working right here, getting, that is Bondo on there. So he's just sanding it all down to make sure that it's all good to go here, so when they do go painting, it'll all stick together. Can't have any of these rough spots here like we've got right here. It's got to be nice and smooth. rear door has been taken outside and all the back metal's already been removed. So they're going to put on a new plate on there. So that'll all be brand new. What a difference a day makes though. Came out here yesterday and it was brutally cold, bad wind. And it's probably, I think, about +3, +4 right now. Much warmer. Dogs are happier. More's been melting here. River is really high right now, but the RM, the rural municipality, just said that there's no risk of floods yet. And there's my Filipino Emily, and she was guarding at the gate when I drove in. I am guarding at the gate, eh, my girl? Got the yummy in the mouth. You're gonna go eat it somewhere else.